What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Action. If you do want to see my full and in-depth review of this product along with a comparison to other action cameras of its class, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload that video. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing of this action camera. Now here in the United Kingdom, it will set you back around £329. If you're based anywhere in Europe, then you'll find that this action camera is around €379, and if you are in the United States, it's around $379. Now you'll frequently find the Osmo Action on sale, so if you want the best and most competitive prices, then I will leave links down below in the description for you to go check those out. It's also worth mentioning that the Osmo Action will also support any existing GoPro accessories that you may have purchased. Therefore, if you have spent a lot of money in the past on action camera accessories, you'll find that these will integrate nicely with the Osmo Action. Removing the outer packaging and opening up the box, we get our first look at the contents. Now the first of these is a separate box which will house all of the included accessories. Emptying out this box reveals all of its contents, and the first of these is the included documentation. The first piece of documentation provides you with a number of different websites to get video tutorials and support from DJI. The second is some safety and disclaimer information, and this is then followed up by details on your 1-year limited DJI warranty. Next up is the locking screw, which will attach the camera to the mounting frame, along with a USB-C to USB-A cable which can be used to charge up the device. Now this has an approximate length of around 50 centimeters. The next three items to be included is a flat adhesive mount along with a curved adhesive mount. Now the curved adhesive mount comes attached to the quick release base. These can be used to attach and mount the action camera to different surfaces, such as a skateboard with its flat surface or a helmet with the curved mount. The quick release base is doing exactly what it should and allowing the mounts to be removed fast, which means you could mount the Osmo Action onto different things faster than almost any other action camera. GoPro, take note on this please. And last but not least, you've got the 1300 mAh 3.85 volt lithium ion polymer rechargeable battery, which comes nicely packaged inside a battery case. It takes approximately 90 minutes to get a full charge on this battery, which is actually pretty good, especially when you consider most GoPros take approximately 2 hours to complete a full charge. I will go over all of this in my full and in-depth review, so be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload that video. And last but not least, you've got the action camera itself. The Osmo Action comes with the camera frame pre-installed, so you will have to remove this to install the battery. So while I've got a quick minute, is there any other action cameras that you want myself to compare the Osmo Action to? Of course I will compare it to the Hero 7 and the Hero 8 Black editions from GoPro. But if you have got any more budget-minded action cameras that you'd like me to compare it to, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching, and if you have got any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media. Links of course can be found down below in the description. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.